Whether you're upgrading the aesthetic of your home, improving its security, or enhancing energy efficiency, replacing or installing a new door is a valuable investment. In Deltona, where homes can range from cozy single-family houses to modern properties, the right door can make a significant difference. A professional door installation service ensures that the job is done right, giving you peace of mind knowing your door is secure, efficient, and beautifully installed. In this article, we'll walk you through what to expect from a professional door installation service in Deltona and why hiring experts for the job is always the best choice. Consultation and door selection. The first step in the professional door installation process is a consultation. This is where the door installation company will assess your needs and help you choose the best type of door for your home. Whether you're looking to replace your front entry door, patio doors, or any other type of exterior door, professionals will guide you through the available options. In Deltona, where climate conditions and style preferences vary, you'll have several door choices to consider. The consultant will discuss different materials like fiberglass, steel, wood, or composite doors, each offering unique benefits in terms of energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. They will also help you choose the best door style, from traditional swing doors to sliding doors or French doors, depending on your home's layout and your personal style. The consultation is also a chance for the service provider to inspect the area where the door will be installed. They will take measurements to ensure that the new door fits perfectly within the existing frame and meets your specific needs. Professional installation and setup. Once the type and style of door are selected, the installation process begins. A professional installation service will ensure that every step is completed correctly, from preparing the area to installing the door itself. You can expect the installation team to remove the old door. If you're replacing an old door, the first task is to carefully remove it, ensuring no damage to the surrounding walls or framing. Prepare the frame. The installation team will check the door frame for any issues. If the frame is warped, damaged, or not level, they may need to make adjustments or rebuild the frame to ensure a proper fit. Install the new door. After prepping the area, the new door will be installed. The team will carefully align the door with the frame, ensuring that it operates smoothly and securely. Hinges and locks will be properly fitted, and any necessary weather stripping or seals will be applied to prevent drafts. Final adjustments. Once the door is in place, the installation team will make any final adjustments, ensuring it opens and closes easily. They will also check that the locks and handles are properly installed and functioning. Throughout the process, the installation team will make sure the door is level, square, and tightly sealed, ensuring maximum security, energy efficiency, and durability. Attention to detail and finishing touches. After the door is installed, the final touches are just as important. A professional door installation service will clean up any debris from the installation process and make sure everything is functioning perfectly. You can expect them to inspect the door's functionality. They will check to ensure the door swings smoothly, locks properly, and has no issues with alignment. Clean up the area. Any packaging materials, old door parts, or installation debris will be cleaned up, leaving your home spotless. Seal the door. The professionals will apply weather stripping and caulk around the door frame to ensure that your new door is properly sealed and energy efficient. This step is crucial, especially in Deltona, where the weather can vary, as it helps keep out drafts and moisture. Some installation companies may even offer touch-up painting or staining for wooden doors to match your home's exterior perfectly, giving the door a polished, finished look. Post-installation testing and adjustment. After the installation is complete, the professionals will test the door to ensure everything is working properly. They will check that locks and handles are operating smoothly and securely. The door opens and closes without resistance or gaps. The door fits properly within the frame, ensuring no air or moisture can leak through. If any adjustments are necessary, the installation team will make sure the door is fine-tuned to your satisfaction. Warranty and maintenance support. One of the major advantages of hiring a professional door installation service in Deltona is the warranty and ongoing support that typically comes with the installation. Many reputable companies offer warranties on both the door and the installation, giving you peace of mind knowing that you are covered if any issues arise down the road. Additionally, some installation services provide ongoing maintenance and repair services. This is especially important for homeowners who want to make sure their doors continue to operate smoothly over the years. Routine maintenance can help extend the life of your door and prevent common issues like sticking, drafts, or misalignment. Cost of professional door installation. The cost of professional door installation can vary depending on factors such as the type of door, materials, and labor. While hiring a professional installation service might cost more upfront than doing it yourself, the benefits far outweigh the initial investment. You can be confident that the door will be installed correctly, securely, and efficiently, providing lasting value and comfort for your home. Conclusion. Enjoy the benefits of a professionally installed door in Deltona. When it comes to installing a new door in your home, hiring a professional door installation service in Deltona is the best choice. You'll enjoy expert installation, enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, and a polished aesthetic. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, professional installation ensures that the job is done right the first time, saving you time, effort, and frustration in the long run. With the right team on the job, you'll be able to enjoy your new door's benefits for years to come.